A very good morning, my little gems. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Can anybody tell me what we did yesterday? Yes, revision of CVC words. So today also we will do the revision of some more CVC words, but before that we will do the revision of alphabet A to Z with its sound. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E says F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says U says A, V says V, W says W, X says X, X says X, X says Z, Y says Y, Z says Z. Let's see some CVC words. RED red, R at the red. FOX fox, Fox fox. PAN pen, PAN pen. ZIP zip, ZIP zip. HUT hut, HUT hut. LID lid, LID lid. HEN hen, HEN hen. BAT bat, BAT bat. ROD rod, ROD rod. MUG mug, MUG mug. Now let's write some CVC words in our English notebook. Kids, first we will write today's date 6-2-21, 6th February 2021. CVC words. Kids, first we will write red, RED red, red red. So for alphabet R, make a standing line, go up, make a small curve. For E, we will make a slant line and then make a C curve. And for D, we will make a standing line, go up and make a C curve. RED red, red red. Second, we will write fox, FOX fox, Fox fox. So for alphabet F, make a curve, come down standing, slipping line on first blue line. For O, make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For X, we will make one slant line, then another slant line. FOX fox, Fox fox. Number 3, we will write pen, PAN pen, PAN pen. So for alphabet P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For A, make a C curve, go up, come down, standing. For N, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, standing. PAN pen, PAN pen. Number 4, we will write zip, ZIP zip, ZIP zip. So for alphabet Z, make a slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. For I, make a standing line and a dot. For P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. ZIP zip, ZIP zip. Number 5, we will write hut, 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 hut. So for alphabet H, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing. For U, make a standing line, make a small curve, then go up and come down standing. For T, make a standing line, small curve and slipping line on first blue line. HUT, hut, hut. Number 6, we will write lid, 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 lid. So for alphabet L, we will make a standing line. For I, standing line and a dot. For D, make a standing line and make a C curve. LID, 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 lid. Number 7, we will write hen, 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 hen. So for alphabet H, we will make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing. For E, make a slant line and then C curve. For N, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing. HEN, hen, hen. Number 8, we will write bet, BAT, bet, bet. So for alphabet B, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For A, make a C curve, go up, come down standing. For T, make a standing line, make a small curve and slipping line on first blue line. BAT, bet, bet. Number 9, we will write rod, 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 rod. So for alphabet R, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For D, make a standing line, go up and make a C curve. ROD, rod, rod. Number 10, we will write mug, 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 mug. So for alphabet M, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing, go up, make a curve, come down standing. For U, make a standing line, make a curve, go up and come down standing. For G, make a C curve, go up, come down standing and make a small curve. MUG, mug, mug. It's like this way you have to write CVC words in your English notebook. Now I will give you one worksheet. Kids, in this worksheet you have to see the picture and circle the correct word. Means पहले हमको पिक्चर रिकॉग्नाइज करना है और उसके बाद उसके नीचे जो 2 वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उसमें से जो राइट वर्ड हो उसको हमें सर्कल करना है. Which is the first picture? Yes, hat. Now read the words given under the picture of hat. Lab, lab. Hat, hat. So which is the correct word? Yes, hat. So we will circle the word hat. The next picture? Yes, cot. So now let's read the words given under the picture of cot. Otter, cot. Otter, hot. So which is the correct word? Yes, cot. So we will circle the word cot. Which is the next picture? Yes, number 6. So now read the words given below number 6. Six. Fix. So which is the correct word? Yes, 6. So we will circle the word 6. Is the next picture? Den. So now read the words given below the picture of den. B-E-D, bed. D-E-N, den. So which is the correct word? Den. So we will circle the word den. Which is the next picture? Jug. So now read the words given below the picture of jug. D-A-G, dug. J-A-G, jug. So which is the correct word? Jug. So we will circle the word jug. Which is the next picture? Fig. So now read the words given below the picture of fig. F-I-G, fig. P-I-G, pig. So which is the correct word? Yes, fig. So we will circle the word fig. See kids, like this way you have to finish your worksheet. I hope kids, you all are doing practice of writing CVC words at home. So keep practicing it at home. See you soon. Bye bye.